In this video, I'm going to share 3 secrets about why average-looking guys can get attractive girls. I made this video specifically for single folks who think they're not attractive or feel ugly, but just base it on perception without considering the facts. If you don't feel that way, feel free to skip this video because what's going to be discussed here is crucial for those who feel less attractive. Because yeah, I feel that way too. So, for those in the same boat, gather around. I'm about to spill the secrets of not-so-handsome guys who can get beautiful girls. Actually, it's not necessary to get a beautiful girl. The key is to get a girl you like, basically. That's it. Handsome and looking handsome, which one is more handsome? Oh boy, what kind of question is that? Have you ever seen a guy who looks very handsome, but his behavior makes you uncomfortable? His attractiveness can vanish in an instant. Sure, he's handsome, but you've already felt uncomfortable with his actions. Maybe this can be answered by girls. What kind of handsome guy makes you uncomfortable, irritating, super arrogant, and eventually loses his attractiveness? But someone who looks handsome, it's more natural. In my opinion, he's more handsome than someone who is physically good-looking. Someone who looks handsome definitely brings out their charisma. What do I mean? Why is this confusing? Listen up, anyone skilled or competent in a specific field will naturally exude charisma. For example, when someone is good at playing the guitar, their charisma shines through. When they excel in basketball, their charisma shows. When they're proficient in public speaking, their charisma will undoubtedly emerge. Now, when they're seriously doing those things, their dedication becomes attractive. For instance, if a girl sees you being serious about something, it becomes appealing to them. Or look at your parents fixing something, whether it's repairing a leaky pipe or fixing a crumpled antenna. So old-fashioned, right? But the point is, they look very serious and their charisma appears. Surely, they look interesting, right? This lasts longer than someone who only looks physically handsome but makes you uncomfortable. The first tip is, be serious about something. The second tip, be confident. Yes, I admit it's a cliché tip, but it's the most important one. No matter how good-looking you are, if you lack confidence, it'll be challenging to get a girl, especially if you're considered average physically. Actually, I don't want to say ugly because it's relative. In Indonesia, dark skin is considered ugly, but in Europe, it's seen as exotic and cool. That's just one example that beauty is relative. So, the most crucial thing here is confidence. Whatever skills you have, if you're confident, you'll surely develop. No one is skill-less. So, the third tip is, find your skill. Once you're confident, you'll surely discover the skill within you. That's for sure because you've already cultivated self-confidence. But how do you quickly build confidence? According to me, hit the gym and lift weights. That's the fastest way to boost your self-confidence because you successfully transform your body into a better shape. You stand taller, and usually you're more confident because you've overcome the uncertainties within yourself. Now, when you're comfortable with the gym, it can become a proud skill later on. No doubt, some people have skills, but their faces are just average, and yet they're still adored by girls. They might not be as handsome as David Beckham, but they're still attractive to girls. This shows that skills and personality can be more attractive than physical appearance. Handsome and ugly are relative. For example, parents always say, "My child is beautiful," or "My child is handsome," because only those who love us can see our attractiveness. Only parents can say that because they know us the best. But how do you make everyone know that you have potential, that you're serious about something, that you're confident, and that you have skills? That's a different story. In love, there's no more good-looking or ugly. There's only "I love you," remember that. Admiration and love surpass everything. In this case, it has its own meaning. So, hopefully after watching this video, for those of you who feel less attractive and hesitate to approach the girl you're interested in, start believing in yourself, show your skills, show your confidence.